Okay, finally I figured out how to get the word-by-word alignment worked in Kitten Life. Actually, I uploaded to my GitHub. Simply search Clupo GitHub, and here are some repositories. Look for Python beginner. Grab this one. In the last video, you can see this alignment thing. It still works, but in this case, you see this class Cantonese tokenize. Here you can see the self-word tokens. I comment out what we did last time, where the code returns messy alignment in Jupyter Lab. Indeed, it works the other way. I added a self-token option. You can choose this one or this one. The word tokens, which is the English Chinese content, and the jute tokens, that's the Cantonese pronunciation. They both have two styles available. Simply adjust the format here. Alright, let's download this file, and now we'll use the style on top, okay? Come here and download new file, click it. There should be a Jupyter notebook. F2, change its name to backup, because I already got this file. Control X, cut this Jupyter notebook and put it into the environment that's been created already. It's called Test Jupyter. Here. There are some notebooks already. Their extensions are IPYNB, alright? If you want to learn how to code with Jupyter Lab, feel free to watch my previous videos. Let's open the Jupyter Lab. Here you see that's a shortcut I created earlier. I shot a video before to show how to create shortcuts. Just check it out. Simply press the hotkeys to call out Jupyter Lab. Here you see that's the Python script. Let's try the default alignment style and see what we get. There we go. I'll print the first 700 characters cause the original is too long. Okay, run all cells. Here you see the subs are pretty much aligned, but don't use this one, because just go down here and rename the output file, call it output1, save and run it. Now it's in my thumb drive. Here you see they're all aligned. Remember, this output1 doesn't work even though it looks okay on the SRT file. Now, let's save the output2. Don't be fooled by the Jupyter Lab layout. It may line up perfectly in Jupyter Lab, but it will be a complete mess in your video editing software, especially in Kitten Life. Now, let's switch back to this alignment style, comment out this one, and use this style above. The key to this style is this max width tweaking. Okay, now we do the same for the Cantonese pronunciation, then save it as another output file called output2. This output name is just a placeholder. When you build your own app, simply create a text area and add features accordingly. Run it. In Jupyter Lab, it doesn't align properly, but it will work in Kitten Life. Control S, save it, and go back. Usually, I'll deactivate the environment before moving on. This is the subtitle file, output2. You see it aligns properly, even if it doesn't work in Jupyter Lab, so don't be fooled by Jupyter Lab. Now go to my video editing software, which is Kitten Life. I don't know if it works in other apps, but I'm pretty sure it works in Kitten Life. I just use it as long as it reads the subtitle format. Control O, open my project. Create one if you don't. Here I use 1080p at 30 FPS. That's the imported clip, fast HTML installation video. Then go to project. Subtitles, import subtitle files, open file dialog. Control up arrow, look for the subtitle file. Remember, output1 doesn't work and output2 does work. Okay. You see it doesn't align properly. Simply tap the subtitle box and you can move the space a little bit. Click here to apply the style. Sometimes it doesn't work, like this one, you see? To fix this, go to Show Style Options. Then tweak the settings. Here I use font size 30. For custom position, put in the middle, whatever, or put it somewhere as you like. Switch back to the bottom center. Now move on to custom font. Try different fonts until it looks good to you. I've tried to buy medium. The alignment is almost perfect, at least better than the previous one. Except here, if it doesn't work, go back to subtitle style and insert or delete space if you want. It's not perfect, but it does most of your work, right? For the English only content, especially those repeated phrases, let's say short day, short and short will get mixed together. It won't separate the words into two strings. This is a problem, but no big deal because in Cantonese, such expressions are rare. You won't see a long passage of English in daily conversations. Most of the time, it will just separate the Cantonese English text nicely.